Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So as you've seen by the title, I wanted to do a makeup look on the giveaway that I won from Glamology. She is on Twitter and I will leave her handle here for you guys to go and support her. Again, thank you so much Glamology for the giveaway. I'm super excited to test out the product. So if you want to see me create a look from this giveaway box, then please keep on watching. So the giveaway came in this little box right here. Inside we have a primer. This is the BabySkin, or the Maybelline BabySkin Instant Pore Eraser. Then the next thing is the Sleek Makeup Barekissed Illuminator in the shade Pompeii. It's a little bit darker, but I think I can make it work. I will most probably just put it underneath my foundation. And the next up is the Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio in 03 Dark. Very pretty contour shade. I don't think I'm gonna use the highlighting shade. I will just see how dark that is on my skin because I'm a little bit pale. And then I am super excited because this is the ColourPop matte liquid lipstick in the shade Aquarius 2. Such pretty packaging, very holographic, and it is with the Kathleen Light collection. And if I take it out, such a pretty nice nude color. And then I have a lip pencil. This is the Bodyogrsohy lip pencil in Timber. Such a nice, also a nudish, brownie nudish lip pencil. And then last but definitely not least, the Oaklyn Amazonian clay palette. And when I take it out, it has the same holographic kind of look. It feels very sturdy, and when you open it up, it has a full-size mirror as well as a protective little sleeve, and 20 eyeshadows, which 4 of them are shimmers. As you can see, 4 of them are shimmers and the rest of them are matte. So going in with the BabySkin Instant Pore Eraser, I have used this product in the past. I mean, everybody and their mother were raving about it. I think this was probably the most bought primer from the drugstore at one time. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face, or where I would normally prime. I think that was actually too much. It is a very silicone based primer. It fills in your pores, but it doesn't fill them in, like they're non-existent. It blurs them more than filling in. And I won't say it's a gripping primer, so it's not like your foundation will stick to your skin. If you want to maybe combine this primer with another primer, it would work, but I would definitely go in with this one first and then with the second primer. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Sleek Bare Illuminating drops underneath my foundation. I think I'm gonna put it underneath where I would usually contour. I'll just do a quick review on it. Okay, so it smells like makeup. I quite like the packaging of this. I know it is a little bit on the expensive side as well. I love the frosted glass, and it does come with a pump. Unfortunately, this is not my color, so if I would have used it as a highlighting illuminating drop, it would have probably been the first or second shade. I will just pop up a picture of the shades. I'm just gonna blend it out here on my skin like that, and then going straight into my face. As you guys can see, it's gonna look a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna blend it all out as I apply my foundation as well. So it gives me a really like subtle sheen. I'm obviously going to put foundation over it, so it's not going to look like this. So I'm just gonna go in with my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and I think I'm going to mix in a little bit of that Illuminator. I just used a little bit so it doesn't change the color of the foundation. So again, my damp beauty sponge, and I'm just blending that into the skin. So honestly, I would rather use this product if I'm a bit more tanned or even fake tanned. It will look so nicely on the body here, on the décolleté and on the high points of my cheeks, but definitely I'll have to mix it in with the foundation. I won't be able to use this on my own, but nevertheless I love the sheen and the formula of this. And it did give me that natural illuminating glow within type of look. It's just a little bit too dark for me. Okay, so moving on to contour and highlight. This is the Maybelline Master V-Shape Duo Stick Contour and Highlight in the shade 03 Dark. So it is a little bit darker, but you can see it's a little duo stick. So on the one side you have your highlight and on the other side you have your contour. I have an idea that the highlight shade will be way too dark for a highlight for my skin. I think I'll rather use the highlight shade to cover up any pimples or scarring that I have. I don't see any at the moment. Let me just put it here, and the redness around my nose. So as you guys can see, it is a little bit darker. I'm just taking that sponge. I'm blending it in. So I'm just going to take a angled foundation brush, and I'm going to use the product directly onto the brush. So this will give me a more seamless look. And I'm literally just going to go over that. So as you guys can see, it's a very cool toned and pigmented contour. So let's see how the stick performs, or how it blends when I apply it directly onto my skin. Don't think I'm going to use that much, so around about there and like that. So yeah. So it blends seamlessly into the skin as well. It just gave me a very subtle contour, which I love. I love this. And I'm just gonna take my damp beauty sponge and some compact powder, setting underneath my eyes as well as underneath where I contoured and bronzed, just to clean it up. We will wipe it away. This will also help with fallout if there's any in this product. So I'm gonna look a little bit crazy now until I wipe this all away. As you guys can see, it's a very neutral palette. I quite like the color scheme of the palette. As you can see, each row you can do a look with it. I also gave a list or some eyeshadow looks at the back. I'm just gonna do what I normally do. So I'm just gonna go in with that first with my transition shade, and I'm gonna take Innocent at the top left corner. Okay, so there is a little bit of a kick back. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just... And I'm placing that in my crease as a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Whimsy, so top right. I'm gonna focus this on the outer V. and into the crease. Quite like these burnt orangey shades, especially for my eye color as well. Taking a very dense but angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade at the bottom called Edgy, and I am focusing that on the outer half, actually more towards the end. The products do blend super well together, so quite happy about that. And I'm just gonna take it in the socket a little just to define it a bit more. I'm very impressed with this palette, and I'm just gonna go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Glam in the second row. Very nice shimmer shade. I'm placing that on the eyelid. Very pretty. It looks almost like a foil shadow, but not entirely. I'm trying to pack it on. That created a little bit of fallout. We'll just wipe it away. I'm quite impressed with this palette, I must say. I'm just going to take that second shade on a fluffy brush, Whimsy on a fluffy brush, and do my bottom lashes. So I'm just going to wipe away all of the bake and the fallouts and everything. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup, so mascara, lashes, highlights, setting spray, and while doing that I will do some swatches of the eyeshadow palette, starting from the left hand and going row for row. So in the first row we have Classic, Innocent, Whimsy, Smoked and Ethereal. The second row we have Vintage, Fierce, No Filter, Vamp and Glam. The third row we have Chic, Profesh, Mod, Drama and Minx. And the last row we have Indie, Bold, Edgy, Punk and Trendy. So I just finished the rest of my eyes, popped on some lashes and mascara on the bottom and top lashes. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going in with the Bodyogrsohy lip pencil in Timber. It's very creamy. Such a stunning color. And then I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy and Aquarius 2. It smells like a liquid lipstick. Okay, so it looks as if it's dried down. It's not sticky or anything, and it is clinging a little bit to my dry patches, but I didn't scrub my lips before. For my final thoughts, I'm gonna go in the order that I applied my makeup. Okay, so it is not a holy grail primer. I wouldn't opt, or this wouldn't be my first choice of primer. It does fill in the pores a little. It does blur the pores. It is a very affordable primer, and I mean, if you love Maybelline and you love the products, then you can obviously use this. Going into the Illuminator, the BabySkin Illuminator from Sleek. Other than the fact that it's not my color, I think I can make it work. When I'm tanned or fake tan, I think I can make it work. It did give me a little bit of a glow without looking oily or anything like that. Overall, I do like the formula as well as the sheen that it gives. Then moving on to the Maybelline Master Video Contour and Highlight Stick. I really enjoyed the contour side of this stick. As you can see, it's a very cool toned contour shade, and I can maybe use the highlight side of the stick for maybe covering up some pimples if I wanted to. It will definitely be too dark for under eye highlight or under eye concealer. I love the formula of the stick, and it blends super quickly and seamlessly, and it really gave me a very nice contour look without looking too heavy. Then moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I think this is really a steal for 20 shades and a full size mirror. It's very pigmented, other than the fact that there's a little bit of kickback. I mean, you can make it work, as you guys saw with the swatches. They are very pigmented, very beautiful colors. You can do almost any look, from natural to smoky to, I don't know, an overall glam look if you wanted to. So really enjoyed this palette. No complaints from this palette, and I really love the packaging and the holographic design, and it feels sturdy, and it's not such a big palette, so it will fit nicely into your makeup bag or into your makeup drawers. And then moving on to the lips, this is the Bodyogrsohy lip pencil in Timber. Really pigmented. Love the smoothness and the creaminess of the lip pencil without it being too dry or too waxy. It's a very nice shade as well. Really enjoyed this lip pencil as well. Super creamy. Like I said, it wasn't too waxy. It was consistent in the pigment as well, and I am definitely going to add this to my pile of lip pencils. And last but not least, the Kathleen Lights ColourPop matte or ultra matte lippy in Aquarius 2. Stunning color. Obviously it does not look the same as on my lips as it does on the bottle or in the tube. A lot of product comes out, I don't know if you guys can see, so it's a little bit overbearing, but I think that's just because of it lying down for a long period of time. Super pigmented, as you can see, just with like one swipe. Very pigmented. It dries down quite quickly as well, so you have to work quickly. It is a little bit sticky when it's still wet, but when it dries down, it definitely disappears. So my lips don't stick together. Yeah, like I said, with one swipe you can see the pigment pay off from that. So overall I'm very impressed with all of these products. I mean, some of them didn't match my skin shade, but I made it work. Yeah, like I said, overall I really enjoyed all of these products, and these products definitely makes me more excited to buy overseas products and test them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again thank you so much to Glamology. I will leave their handle down below, so go follow and support them, and maybe you can be the next giveaway winner. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you have purchased any of these products, or if you want to purchase these products, and also what you think about this makeup look. And don't forget to hit that like button, it helps me out a lot. Also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in watching more review and makeup related videos, and click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.